When it comes to selling your home in Ontario, understanding capital gains tax is crucial. Let's delve deeper into 5 critical components of this process, aspects which could significantly affect your overall profitability. First and foremost, the principal residence exemption comes into play. This exemption could potentially shield you from having to pay a hefty capital gains tax on the sale of your primary dwelling. This rule could be a relief to many sellers, considering the financial implications attached to this tax. However, it's crucial to remember that this rule doesn't apply universally. It's dependent on several factors, including the length of your stay in the house and whether it is indeed your primary residence. The second component to consider is how capital gains are calculated. The selling price of your home is taken, and from this, the purchase price is subtracted. This calculation also adjusts for any related costs, such as improvements and legal fees. However, bear in mind that only 50% of this resultant gain is taxable. This calculation is pivotal as it determines the actual amount that could potentially be levied as tax. The third point to note is the change in use of your property. If, for instance, you've transformed your property from a principal residence to a rental, you're potentially looking at facing capital gains tax. Despite this, you may still qualify for certain exemptions. Make sure to research these thoroughly to avoid potential financial pitfalls. The fourth point is about reporting the sale of your primary residence on your annual tax return. This is an absolute must, as it is your ticket to claiming the exemption. Do keep in mind that failing to do so could lead to penalties and a missed opportunity to offset your tax burden. Additionally, and just as importantly, there are numerous resources to help guide you through this daunting process. The Canada Revenue Agency and the Ontario Real Estate Association are 2 resources that provide valuable information, insights, and recommendations. Such guidance can streamline the process, making it less intimidating and more manageable. Understanding these aspects can save you a significant amount in taxes, making the sale of your home more profitable.